I feel the need for speed.
Things we see with our Hornets is that it's been a workhorse for a lot of years. It's been flying a lot of places and doing a lot of good work for us. The bad side of that is it needs a lot of work to keep in the fight.
Boeing team at Cecil Field with the former Navy and Marine Corps maintainers that are down there, as well as the non-prior service employees down there, definitely provide us a service to the fleet from a readiness perspective.
Thank you to all the professionals at Cecil Field.
Thanks, Boeing, for making my life easier.
Now at an 8,000-hour airframe where we do the high flight hour, the folks at Boeing do a phenomenal job, you know, communicating back and forth with us at the class desk to meet timelines so that we could get these aircraft to deploy.
Each of these airplanes is a different story every time they bring it down there. It comes from a different location in the fleet, whether it's Navy or Marine Corps, and every aircraft is different. Those guys and gals down there do the best that they absolutely can to meet the need that we have to return these airplanes back to the fleet.
To all the hardworking professionals down at Cecil Field, thank you for your support.
We rely on our industry and our organic depots to do a lot of hard work, some of the hardest work you can do on aircraft, and these are our Hornets. Boeing is essential to that work, Boeing Cecil Field specifically.
To all the professionals down at Cecil Field, thank you for your support.
The great thing about the whole process is that they fly the airplane back to us in an up status. So when the jet does come back to us, it's flyable and it's ready to rock and roll.
Many thanks to the team down at Boeing Cecil. We couldn't do this job without you.
So the amount of engineering, the amount of talent they have down at Boeing to help us with keeping these aircraft in the fight is remarkable.
Thanks Cecil Field for all you've done for us. We appreciate it.